traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 6th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I definitely do look at this as a 1, 2, 3. We are pretty much at that 161.8, which is usually the minimum target for wave 3. We have to keep in mind that wave 3s can go way, way, way beyond the 161.8, but normally that is a good place to expect to see a pullback, wave 4, and another push up for a wave 5. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, I definitely think this is a very clear pattern on the weekly. You've got a 1, 2, and then you got all subdivisions of a wave 3. So like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and this is likely a wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, I was definitely expecting gold to go down a little bit more, and honestly, it still could at the news today, but it looks like 1, 2, 3 ways down. It looks like we got a nice Fibonacci bounce. Looks like we're heading up towards that 61% Fibonacci extension, the 61.8, which is the extension of wave 3 projected at the bottom of wave 4, which is normally how you come up with a target for the wave 5. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame, like I said, I mean, at this point it does look like a complete pattern. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down. It looks like 1, 2, 3 down wave A, 1, 2, 3 up wave B. I think it's a kind of like a running flat or a regular flat because it's 3, 3, 5. It kind of looks like a regular flat. And if it is the end of a regular flat, then this is actually likely to just keep on trending up today. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, the trend is up basically on every single higher time frame. Now we do have non-farm payroll news coming out today, so that's going to be a big determining factor about what's likely to happen. To me, it definitely does look like it pulsed down. It does look like 3 waves up. We may actually get another push down, but then it might reverse because it seems like this kind of needs to make an ABC correction before it actually does continue up. So definitely keep an eye out for this type of pattern. But when the trend is up on literally every single higher time frame, you do have to keep in mind that if you try to go short, you're definitely fighting the trend. What I mean by that is you might think that there's a good short coming, but it just goes down a little bit and just shoots up. So when the trend is up on every single higher time frame, definitely be a little bit on the cautious side about trying to short it, even with a big news event. You know, a lot of times these big news events will make you think that the market's going to make a big turn. It's going to end the trend and make a big turn to the downside. But a lot of times what happens is it just actually just ends up continuing the trend that has already started on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.